I'm Linda Miller, CEO and founder of Paradise Dental Technologies. What do you do when there are contraindications for using power scalers? Any infectious or communicable diseases, non-shielded pacemakers, implanted defibrillators, problems swallowing or gagging, children with deciduous or newly erupted teeth, respiratory risk, immunocompromised patients. Are your current instruments ready to take the place of scaling? Putting your hand health and your patient's comfort and safety first, PDT has developed the First Line Kit. We have an area-specific First Line Kit as well as a universal kit. With quality instruments, feel more confident, experience less breakage, less time is required to scale, more effective deposit removal, patient comfort equals patient retention. Find the First Line Kit at pdtdental.com along with all of our other fabulous products.